Hello everybody, this is MSRN DHS on here, and as you can see here by this, on the on weather.gov, and the warning watch and warning, warning watch and advisories, and by the warning light on my W300, and my new HH54, there's a warning, a severe thunderstorm warning. There's that, and then
wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Watonga, Okeen, Hitchcock, Greenfield.
So, for the record, this has been in service for
Omega and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This thing has only been in service.
National Weather Service in
This has not been in service. Has been in service for maybe 5 hours, and it's already received its first alert. Unfortunately, I didn't capture it when the radios went off because it was unexpected. There's no watch for the record. It's just the severe thunderstorm warning. See, I do apologize, but I do have the warning watches advisory. It's up on the screen. So yeah, if and when our alert is issued, I will try to record for you. Thank you for watching.